Let's take you through OptiPro's facility to see the complex capabilities that help manufacturing companies thrive in the optics, ceramics, and metalworking industries. The company designs, builds, and distributes innovative machines inside their 76,000 square foot facility. OptiPro is comprised of several different departments, including software engineering, the Advanced Process Development and Optical Metrology Labs, Automation Department, Advanced Material Processing Lab, Machine Tools Showroom, and Optics Machine Engineering and Assembly area. In the optics engineering area, OptiPro's line of machines are designed and built right from scratch. You can see that one of the parts for OptiPro's Ultraform finishing machine is being designed in CAD software. This is a UFF arm, a component of the polishing tool assembly that supports a UFF wheel, which you will see later on. When the design is finished, it goes to the Machine Tools Showroom, where you will find some of the most advanced machines for metalworking. OptiPro distributes these types of machines to manufacturing companies in New York State. CAD files go out to OptiPro's machinists and applications engineers, and they'll make a variety of parts, including those that go into the optics machines that OptiPro builds. You can see the UFF arm being machined with speed and precision on the Fanuc RoboDrill Vertical Machining Center. This working showroom allows customers in New York State to come in and see the metalworking machines in action, from complex machining, 5-axis machining, 4-axis machining, and more. Companies can experience why they should partner with OptiPro for their machine needs, whether they need a turnkey solution or simply the right piece of equipment to make their parts. To ensure customers get the most out of their investment, OptiPro has a full service and applications team that is just a phone call away. If you make parts, you've got to be able to measure them. As we shift to OptiPro's Industrial Metrology Lab, you'll find industry-renowned equipment from Zeiss and Starrett. These solutions are available to New York State customers looking for the perfect machine to measure their specific parts. Here you see different features of the UFF arm being measured on the Zeiss O-Inspect multi-sensor CMM. We now move to OptiPro's automation department. In recent years, automation has become important in many different industries, not just for loading parts into a machine, which is important and critical for lights-out manufacturing, but also for complex, unique capabilities such as the automated inspection cell shown here. This machine, which won the Fanuc Innovative Product of the Year award, uses a robot to measure features or surface quality on parts. OptiPro offers robotic solutions for automating tedious processes such as deburring and beveling. If you need a custom automation solution, OptiPro can provide that too. In addition to building their own machines, the software engineering department develops different software packages that drive each OptiPro platform. Proecss, OptiPro's freeform CAM software, is simulating a 5-axis polishing toolpath that you will see running shortly. Heading over to OptiPro's Advanced Materials Processing department, where the company manufactures complex parts as requested by many of the prime contractors. You can see the Ultraform finishing tool being assembled with the UFF arm that was designed in CAD earlier. This tool goes into OptiPro's Ultraform finishing machine, which uses full 5-axis simultaneous motion to polish a very challenging component. Here it is finishing a freeform optic after it's been ground on one of OptiPro's OptiSonic grinding machines. The company encourages visitors to see this machine as well as other machines in their Advanced Process Development Lab, shown here on the right. Just as on the metalworking side, if you're going to make it or polish it, you've got to be able to measure it. That takes us to the Metrology Lab for precision optics. The freeform optic that was just polished in the Advanced Material Processing Lab is now being measured on the OptiPro UltraSurf 5X 400 without actually touching the part. UltraSurf uses an optical probe to perform this capability. This machine is just one of the several metrology solutions that OptiPro offers. If you're interested in understanding how OptiPro can help your company thrive, head to our website or feel free to reach out and schedule a visit.